For today's tutorial video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to convert Gcash Gcredit to cash. First, open your CIMB application. If you don't have an account, you can watch my quick tutorial video on how to create online CIMB account. After logging in, find and click Cash In. In here, choose the Over-the-Counter tab and click the Over-the-Counter banks. Now choose EC Pay, enclosed with Gcash/payment senders. Now, type the amount you want to convert on your Gcredit available balance, and click Continue. Next is, check your email address, and look for DragonPay email. The email contains the payment instruction and link for the transaction reference number. Just click the link and copy the reference number. Next is, open your Gcash application and click Bills. In here, simply enter DragonPay into the search field and select it in the option. Now, enter the same amount you enter in the Cash and EC Pay option, along with the reference number you copied from the email you received. You also need to enter your contact number and email address. However, the email address is optional. If you don't want to pay Gcredit Bill Protect Insurance, uncheck the box at the bottom, then click Next. Now, select Gcredit for the payment source and click Next. In here, you will see the Gcredit balance after the transaction. To proceed, click Confirm. You will receive an SMS notification at your Gcash registered mobile number to confirm your payment. Click OK and return to the CIMB Bank application to verify if the cash-in was successful. Refresh the dashboard. You can see that it has been successfully converted to cash. Another good thing about this is that there is no fee for transferring funds to Gcash, so you can transfer the whole amount you converted. Just click Transfer on the dashboard and select to other banks. After that, you can manually browse Gcash and click it, or you can simply type Gcash on the search bar. In here, enter your Gcash account name, Gcash number, and the amount you want to transfer. To proceed, click Continue. Now click Confirm, and then you will need to enter your CIMB 6-digit MPIN for security purpose. Now, the transfer was successful, and as you can see, I also received a confirmation message from Gcash that I had received the amount that I transferred from CIMB Bank. Click Done, and return to Gcash application. You can try this method if you have Gcash Gcredit offer, but you need it in cash. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more detailed tutorial videos like this.